if intelligence was given absolute power, not strength, not speed, just intelligence, Light Yagami was an ordinary student until one moment changed the direction of his mind forever. In this video, I'm drawing Light Yagami while explaining the psychology, the mindset, and the quiet danger behind his calm expression. Light Yagami is the main character from Death Note. On the surface, he is disciplined, polite, and perfect. A top student, a role model, someone everyone trusts. But inside, Light believes the world is broken, and he believes he is smart enough to fix it. As I begin this drawing, notice how calm his face is. Light never looks emotional. He looks certain. Light doesn't become evil overnight. That's important. He starts with logic. He sees crime, corruption, and injustice. And instead of questioning the system, he questions humanity itself. While sketching the outline, I keep the lines clean and controlled. Light is not chaotic. He is organized. Even his thoughts move in straight lines. When drawing Light Yagami, symmetry matters. His face is balanced. His posture is straight. This represents control, but I slowly add shadows around the eyes and jawline. Those shadows represent the weight of decision. Light believes that being right is more important than being human. And that belief changes everything. Light doesn't see himself as a villain. He sees himself as justice. That's why he's dangerous. Power doesn't corrupt Light. Power confirms what he already believes. As I darken the background, notice how his expression stays calm. No fear. No doubt. Only confidence. Light never asks, "Am I wrong?" He asks, "Why doesn't everyone agree with me?" Light represents temptation. He never pushes Light. He only watches. And that's important. Light makes every decision himself. In this drawing, Light is always in focus. The world around him fades. That's how obsession works. When someone believes they are chosen, everything else becomes background noise. Light Yagami is popular because he asks a question that adults understand. Is peace worth control? Is intelligence enough to decide morality? As I finish the details of his face, I avoid extreme emotion because Light doesn't explode. He convinces, and that makes him unforgettable. Light Yagami is not a hero. He is not a monster. He is a mirror, a reflection of what happens when logic replaces empathy. As I complete this drawing, I leave his eyes slightly open-ended, because Light's story is never really finished. It continues inside the viewer's mind. If you enjoyed this drawing and the story behind it, please like the video, share it with someone who loves anime art and character analysis. Subscribe for more anime drawings with calm explanation and storytelling, and let me know in the comments which anime character should I draw and explain next. subscribe. Drawing King. Bye-bye.